Well, welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the Harbor Freight leaked parking lot sale for October 7th through the 13th. So let's dive in. All right, to get us started, we see right here, checking out some of these deals up top. We see some gloves here. This is the 50-pack option for $7. Pretty good option on that, 50% off. We also have the ammo can here for $10. So if you need one of those for ammo or some other just options like that, great option to check one of those out. I do always recommend you carry some of these zip ties with you, especially if you're going to be doing DIY. I use these all the time, used them just today. I have one of these dollies right here myself. It has worked incredible for $9. Definitely worth it. Save your back. Grab one of these. This is a 1,000-pound capacity. I mean, that's a great option. So again, trying to make that yourself is going to cost you more than this, and it's your time. Just go ahead and buy it. $9. I got one recently. I use it all the time. It's great. Got some shop towels. I've never used this exact one, but 50-pack for $8. Solid deal with that one. Then we also have the hex shank socket driver set for the 3-piece option right here. So again, solid deal for that one. $2. So check that one out. Then we come down to the U.S. General roll cab here, the 42-inch option. Again, you see all the different colors. You can do this. $500. Great deal for that. $100 off of normal. So again, if you need some storage, this is a great option for you. Then we also see the 1/2-inch drive impact socket set. Again, $19. Pretty good deal for that one. Pittsburgh, solid brand. It's going to do a good job for you. We also see the Predator option. We saw this in a recent video there. This is a great option. One of the best generators here is the Predator option right there. And $850, great deal. $250 off. So if you need one of these, it's quiet. Again, it is a great option. And the dual fuel option there as well. So definitely check that one out. Then the Badlands, we've seen this winch on sale. Again, $279. That is a great deal. One of the cheapest options you can grab for that. So if you need a winch, this is a great one for you. And you get to save $70. That's nice. We also see the Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack here for $100. Another great deal and great option for you there. Then we also see the Fortress option here if you need one of these air compressors. Again, $20 off. Decent price off for that, but pretty good deal, especially if you need one right now. We also have the welder here from Vulcan. I've never used this brand, but again, I've heard it's a solid deal for that. $200 off. Pretty good option. Then we have the Hercules sliding compound saw. $300. Again, Hercules is a great brand for this. $50 off. Solid deal for that one. So if you're interested and need one, it's a good one. I would say Black Friday is coming up here pretty soon, so just keep an eye on those as well. Then we also have the Predator auger for $180. Again, a solid deal for that one. And then we have the 5-shelf here for $40 by Yukon. I have some of these similar options. Again, I think they're going to do good, but not great. So if you need a really heavy-duty one, you might need to look at another direction, but this is definitely a good one for you and will be great for $40. Then we have the little shop seat here, little sliding shop seat for $70, $45 off of that one, a great option. We have Mechanics tool set. Again, we can see all of these options right here for Pittsburgh. $170, get to save $30, solid deal for that one. Then we have some ratchet tie downs. Always recommend you keep some of these in your vehicle. Moving blanket, I grabbed one of these a couple months ago for I think $6, so I could have got it for $5, but again, I might even go grab one of those during this deal. I need another one. We got the flag, so you can check that one out. And then we also have a tool bag, 15-inch tool bag. I mean, that's a great price. $5 for a tool bag. It's going to work pretty good. I would recommend checking that one out. Then we even have the Quick Find tape measure here for $2. Again, great one. Probably a great DIY option. And then we also have the magnetic parts holder. I know when you're working on your vehicle or a lot of other things, always great to have some of these, so check these out. Switching back over to page 2, we see this magnetic tool holder, a great deal right there at $1.98. And then also, same thing here for the flip light. Again, $2, great price for that one. We also have some work gloves, $3.50. And then even the pneumatic tire here for $6. We have some microfiber cleaning cloths for $2. And then the wobble socket extension set here for $10. Again, 33% off. You see it was $15, pretty good deal. Then going down a little bit further, we have the 6-drawer option here. So you can check that out here. $500, $100 off. Then we also have the 4-drawer tech cart So you can check out either one of these. This one's a lot more affordable down at $179. So again, 50 bucks off. You can see the different colors in all of these. We also have the Pittsburgh low profile pump here, $75, 25 bucks off. That's a great price. And then also the Daytona option, the 4-ton here option for $179. Also in the Daytona, we have the 3-ton and the 6-ton jack stands. So if you need to grab some of these jack stands, you can definitely do that here. 28 bucks and then $60 as well. So $44 off of the smaller ones here and then 25 off of the bigger ones. We also have the low profile creeper. So if you need one of these, you can definitely grab one of those. 300-pound option right there for Pittsburgh. I mean, 20 bucks, great price, 50% off for that one. We have the Maddox ball joint service kits, 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive, 48 bucks, pretty good deal, 46% off. Also have the 1-ton capacity shop crane here for $219, good price. Pittsburgh option, the tool set with case, 130-piece tool set, so you can grab one of those. Again, 30 bucks, 25% off. Also have the Quinn option here for the drive and the SAE and metric master socket set here for $140. $40 off of that. It's a great price. We have the compressor here, just a small little compressor for Pittsburgh, 55 bucks. You also have the portable ramp set. I've never used these here, but I bet they're pretty solid, $45. Also have the engine stand, 80 bucks, and then the 115-pound capacity vehicle dollies. So you can grab those, so you can move them around a little bit here for $48 as well. Then at the bottom down here, we got a couple good options. We've got the wrench set here for $6. I have heard these are not the best option, but if you need some in a pinch, this is definitely a super cheap option here. Then we also have the portable case here, $6. Some super glue, 98 cents for these. That's incredible. Also have the metal cutoff wheels, $5. The wheel chocks here for $5, and then also the PVC folding sawhorse here for right under $10. Again, 29% off. Hard to beat that right there. Got a couple more little deals right here. We got the tarp right here for $2. Good deal with that. Electrical tape here for $6. We also have some work gloves, some little cowhide work gloves here, $5.50. And then a little solar security light. I actually just got one very similar to this. Someone sent this to me for me to check out, and these have been great. I have them all around our house. They work really well. We have the little heat gun here. Again, we've seen this deal, but $10, hard to beat that. And then also the step drill bits here for $12, solid price for that one. Then we come back over here, some Bauer options. We have the little drill driver set for $50. Again, I know multiple people have been going over to Bauer. We also have the battery here for $90. Again, the 20-volt option right here, $46 off. We have the angle grinder for $19. Also, the bench grinder, a little bit larger option here for $45. Wet dry vac, always need one of these in your shop, $30. And then we have the disc sander and belt sander here. Again, pretty good option right there for $90. Then we also have the automatic feed drain cleaning drum machine for $300. And then the electric drain cleaner for $90. So if you need to clean out some drains, get everything cleaned back out in your plumbing, check these out. Pretty good deals. $100 off of that one, $20 off of the bottom one. Then we see some of these air compressors. We've seen these on sales as well. McGraw, solid brand, is going to do a good job for you. $50 here for these, whichever type you might want. You can check out. I like hot dog or the pancake. That's great right there. So either one. We also have the vertical air compressor, $249, $30 off. Earthquake XT air impact wrench for $130. Again, great price and great deal on that one. Then we also have the hand carry job site air compressor here for $160. Then also the other shop air compressor as well from Fortress for $250. It says ultra quiet. You guys can let me know in the comments if you've ever used them and how quiet they actually are. We also have the Chicago Electric Flux Welder. This is probably going to be one of the best prices you're going to see on a welder here for $90. And then also the welding helmet here for $32. So again, Chicago Electric, probably not the best brand, but if you need one of these to get you going, this is the one to check out. Then we have a couple of the bottom options, a little pop-up lantern, anti-fatigue foam mat for working in the shop. We have the, again, the screwdriver set. I have had multiple people in the videos say these don't work extremely well, so just take that for what it is. Again, it's hard to beat $5 for some screwdrivers. I also have some multi-purpose scissors. I have some very similar ones all around my house, 70 cents, great deal on that. And then we also see a good deal right here on this rechargeable pen light, excuse me, $13, and then also the spray gun as well for $9. Hard to beat that. Then we get into a few more options. We have some hose clamps here, $5, great deal on that. We also have some drill bits for $10, and then we even have the transfer pump here for $5 in case you need one of those. We also have the wall mount, TV wall mount here for $9. That is crazy. So if you have a smaller television, hard to beat that. Trim and molding tool set. I'd probably need to grab one of these. One of my last videos, we had to check out something in my wife's car. I ended up buying some stuff to try to break in and get open the door without a key. Needed a couple of these options. We also have the battery maintainer here for $7. Hard to beat that. Scaffolding for $180. Also have the little large ladder right here, multitask ladder, $100. The service cart, $80, $30 off, great price. Also have the convertible hand truck, $179. That is probably a great deal. Check that off. Only $20 off, but again, if you need one of those, definitely a great thing to check out. Have the light and portable pressure washer here. It is the only $17.50, so that's not super strong, so just heads up on that one. But again, great price. And we also have another option for Portland, $35 here for a chainsaw. So it might be time, if you don't have one, probably a great one to check out. Also, we have the extension cord here. Check that one for $100. So pretty expensive right there, but $40 off. And then we also have the 2300 PSI pressure washer. So this is a great option. Going to be strong enough to do whatever you need to do with it probably. And again, $199, $50 off, good price. Then we also have the Badlands winch right here. Again, another option for $500, $100 off of that. So check that one out. And also we see this Hercules brushless, cordless impact wrench, $165. Again, $25 off. Solid with that one. Kenway has their trailer light kit, so if you need to fix some of those lights on the trailer like we always have to, they're out there. Great price, $28. We also have the flat panel, so if you need a flat panel for your TV, this one does go up to large, 70 inches. I mean, $12. That is incredible. It's crazy how low that is. We have some hanging shop lights, a great price right there, $15. We also have the airless paint sprayer, so if you need one of those for $200, again, $50 off. We also have, again, the liquidation sale, so always check your store, as is, open box, stuff like that. You can get crazy discounts on that. Then we have a couple options right here. We have the permanent markers. We've seen these by Milwaukee, and then now everybody else is trying to do them. Foldable earmuffs, grab some of those. Little detail brush kit, 6-piece, check that out. Some gloves, again, another option here, $7 or $8. Magnetic glove dispenser, $10, and then also a little rotary toolkit. Definitely recommend that. I mean, man, $7 for all that. I mean, that's a great deal. So check that one out. So overall, I think there's some pretty good deals that are coming up here in October. Just a reminder, these are leaked deals. So be on the lookout for this little flyer right here coming out here. Probably, I would say, late September, middle of September as well. But great deals, great options going on right now. You can let me know what you plan on grabbing at this parking lot sale. Also, if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.